Hi everyone, it's Nicole Martel. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a fun project. I haven't played in my journal as much as I wanted to this year, and it's the weekend, so I wanted to just play with color and just have fun. I'm going to go ahead and get started, and then when I do go flipping through my pages, sometimes I'll glue it if it's like something's not glued down, or if I'm missing something, I'll just pop something in there. But I just love playing in the art journals, and I'm going to make it super simple and fun, and hopefully you'll learn some fun techniques along the way. The first thing I like to do is go through my pattern to see what I want to use. I like Art by Marlene's paper pads because the papers are real thin and they work really well in the journals. So to begin, I'm going to go ahead and cut this pattern paper down to a little bit smaller than 4x4. Just so it fits in that page nicely with the border. I like the pink with the teal and the yellow, so I'm going to go with that theme. And then I have a torn paper that I'm going to use on the left side to kind of pull everything together nicely. I like this one too, but I'm going to just go ahead and move on and slap some color down first. This is the first thing I do in the journal. Once I have my papers selected, I pull a color, an acrylic marker that pulls a main color out of the paper that I'm using. And then I just added some scribble, and I'm going to go ahead and glue this piece down. These papers are so fun, and they really pop the colors. I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. Okay, and then I am trying to make sure everything looks okay. And now I'm going to just go through. I'm going to use a floral stamp. And this is such a fun technique that I've done before, and I'm going to share with you what I do here. I'm going to go ahead and add black ink all over the rubber stamp. I'm going to then carefully place that right on top and press down. And watch. Look how pretty that looks. I just love this so much. And so that just brought that whole page to life within minutes, not even that. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a little border around the layout or the page. And then I'm going to add some color to the flower just by coloring the dots in the center. And I'm just pulling this to life. And then I'm going to add some more color here and there. And I'm just totally playing with the stamped image, which is so pretty. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue the die cut that I had in my stash. And I'm going to add some gems as well, because this is so pretty. I'm going to glue these to the center of the flowers. And I'm going to do different colors just to bring out all the colors from the paper that I'm using. And I'm just looking for small gems that fit. And then I do need a title of some sort, and I'm trying to find something that I can cut out to use, and I didn't see anything, so I'm going to kind of put that aside for now. I'm going to probably use a stamp for that, but in the meantime, I'm going to stamp some hearts in the corner because it's so pretty. And then I am just looking for something else to do here. I'm looking for a sentiment for the second page. And then I found something I wanted to use, so then I'm going to go ahead and add a border, a color around the border of this page. Just so that when I glue down that piece of paper, it's not white along the edges. I'm going to go ahead and place this down. Oh, I love this so much. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this on the bottom. And I'm just very careful when I push down on that because I don't want it to smudge. Because once you do that, once it's down, it's done. And you cannot recover it. If it's blurry or, messed up, you just have to move on. And then I added some more stamping in the circles. I'm going to add this on the bottom. And so I'm just kind of filling in the white space there. And now I'm going to use my markers to color in the stamped circles, just to add color and make it fun. It's so fun. I'm going to add some color in here and there. Okay, and now I'm trying to figure out what else I want to do? I feel like I need to do something with the stamped flowers. I'm kind of hesitant. So I'm going to go ahead and scribble a border, another color, and I'm just trying to get my thoughts together. And I wanted to try and add some die cuts, but I don't want to overdo it. But this giraffe is super cute, and I've been wanting to use it for some time. And as I was going through my die cuts, I'm like, this is perfect. So I love when that happens, when things just come together. And then I'm going to go ahead and I found a title. And I'm just trying to figure out where I'm going to put it. And then I decided I'm just going to go ahead and stick it right here. It's fine. And I just love how that looks. And then I'm going to go ahead and color in those stamped leaves with some pink. And I'm just trying to be careful so I don't mess this up, because it's very small, this spot that I'm working on. And then I'm switching out and just adding color to the stamped images just to make it more vibrant and colorful. Super fun. And it's super simple. Okay, and then I added some more colors to the flower. Oh my goodness, I love this. Alright, and now I'm just going to go ahead and add some color to the stamped flowers. And I'm just going to add some pink first along the flower here. I'm just taking my time so that I don't go outside the lines, and try to be careful with that. And next I'm going to add some pink, darker pink in there, just to kind of form that. I just feel like it needed more color. I love the way the black looked, but then when I looked at it, I just want to play with color and markers and do all the fun things today. So I said, why not? I'm just going to go for it. And then you can use your fingers to dab off the excess acrylic marker if you want to lift up some of the ink. But right now I'm just coloring in the images from the flowers. I'm going to add some orange up here, and then I dab some of the orange off just to make it light. And look at that, it's so fun. I'm going to add some of the orange over here on this page, so you can smudge it, and it kind of goes with the whole look of it, the grungy look in the background. And now I'm going to add some gems here. Okay. I just love how this came together, and it took me about 45 minutes, the whole thing, and it wasn't too bad at all, and I had so much fun. Now I'm looking to see, I'm going to add some gems over here to the flowers, just to add some shimmer. Oh, I just love this so much. Look at that. So pretty. I hope you found this inspiring. I had so much fun making it, and thank you so much for watching today. Take care.